everyone, how are you? Welcome, my name is Chi. I'm so excited. Yeah, today I'm taking you along with me on a helicopter ride. Yes, really, I had booked for this experience since October 2020. Because of the lockdown and the restrictions, it was cancelled and postponed. Yeah. Finally, we are going on a helicopter ride. Right. The moment I got there, I was checked in. Then we went for a briefing, a quick briefing that was about a minute or two. Our photographs were taken. Yeah, we boarded. And I had the co-pilot seat. Interesting, isn't it?
So it will look just like this one. Fan will be your head, on your ears, and having a microphone that nice and close to your mouth. As you talk, it transmits to all your other.
What I'll do is I'll take a photo, so when we go across, we'll stay together nice and safely. Obviously when we go over here, no phones until you get on the side as well. I'll take a photo of you. So I'll take a photo of you two first together outside the helicopter, and then you'll be helped in, and I'll take a photo of you, and then when you...
It was such an awesome experience. Yeah, halfway, I decided to say hello to my Facebook friends because I have a page on Facebook. And I was saying hello to them. I was on live stream, trying to capture everything live. And I didn't get everything. So a part of it went to my Facebook live. And that's why you're not going to see everything. Yeah, I had booked with Adventure 001 a helicopter flight experience. The pilot was so lively and lovely and charming, He was really interactive, trying to show us places and yeah. So I would really recommend Adventure 001. That was an awesome experience and I can't wait to come back. Surely. Thank you very much for watching. Have a good day.